Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. And in case you're new here, you're also welcome. Now here are the 3 reasons why the screen recording software I'm going to be sharing with you really outshines the rest of the free screen recording software out there. Reason number 1 is that it gives you unlimited hours of recording time. You'll note that most of the free screen recording software, the ones that I've actually tested myself, will always limit you on the number of minutes that you can record for free, an average of around 5 minutes. But this one, you'll get unlimited hours of video recording time. Reason number 2 is that it doesn't require you to be connected to the internet to start recording, okay? And that is very huge, especially if you're living in a third world country where internet is insane expensive. Reason number 3 is that you do not need to worry that your video will have a watermark in it. In fact, what you will get is a super clean HD recorded video. And by the way, if you loaded this particular recorded video into any editing software, you are not worried about losing on the video quality. Now, I can go on and on and on talking about this particular tool, but I do not want to waste your precious time. Let me go ahead and show you how it works. Now, the software that I'm talking about is PowerPoint. Yes, PowerPoint. I know this is mind-blowing, and the beauty is that this particular app or tool is available on everyone's computer. Maybe you haven't tried to record using this particular tool, but in this video, I'll show you how to exactly do that. Now, if you want to start recording using PowerPoint, the only thing that you need to do is to head over to your desktop and launch PowerPoint. So I'll just double click PowerPoint on my desktop, and when it opens, you will open a blank presentation like so. Now, for us to start recording, you'll head over to your record ribbon tab and you click in there once, and from here you can now choose screen recording. When it opens, you can actually click this button to select the area that you would like to record. So I choose this button, and now I can highlight the area on the screen that I would like to record like so. And immediately I do that, this record button will become active. I can just tap in here, and in a countdown of 3 seconds, the recording will start to happen. So whatever I'm doing on the screen right now, it will be recorded, and that's how simple you can start recording with PowerPoint. Now, when you're actually done with your recording, what you can do, come over right here and you can stop the recording. So I hit this stop like so. It will now save my recording right here. Now, the next step that I need to do is to right mouse click on this particular file, and then I can save media as. I can choose my location. Maybe I want this on the desktop. I can just tap the desktop and I can give my media file a name. So let me just call this one test recording and then click save. Now, what has just happened is I have created my recording and it's right here on the desktop. I can just open to review what was recorded, and there you go. You can see the media player will open, and now this is the video that I've just recorded. I can go ahead and pull it into the video editing tool, and from there you can add any voiceover of your choice. Otherwise, I find this particular tool the ultimate go-to tool when it comes to recording your screens entirely for free, and I would recommend it if you are a complete beginner. Now, on this channel, in case you're new, we talk about a lot of things to do with software, and one of them is Microsoft Excel for data analysis. If you'd like to take your data analysis to the next level, I ask you to watch this video that is showing you right here. Let us meet in this video. See you there. Bye-bye.